Hey everyone, my name is Luigi Flores Asuki, and today we're diving into the world of Philippine currency to explore the mighty 20 peso coin. This is the highest valued coin in the Philippines and it has a story to tell. So, this is a history. For a long time ago, the 20 peso bill reigned supreme but that all changed in 2019. The Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas, also known as the BSP, decided it was time for a more durable option. Why? Because research showed a 20 peso bill only lasted about a year, while a coin could last 10 to 15 years. That's a big difference. So, the design, in December 2019, the first 20 peso coin rolled out. If you take a look at it, you'll see a familiar face. That's former President Manuel L. Quezon on the front. Or the obverse side, on the back or the reverse side, you'll find the uh, Nilad plant. Nilad plant. Next to the Bangko Central Cell and the Malacanang Palace, the set of the Philippine President here. So, what are the materials and features that is used? This isn't your ordinary coin. It's actually bimetallic, meaning it's made of two different metals. The outer ring is bronze plated steel and the inner center is the nickel plated steel. It's also the biggest coin in the Philippine peso family, measuring 30 millimeters in diameter. So, kabuang circle. If you flip it on the side, you'll see the letters BSP etched around the edge. So, the 20 peso coin is a symbol of innovation and durability in Philippine currency. It not only honors a historical figure, but it also keeps your hard-earned pesos in circulation for longer. So next time you hold a 20 peso coin, remember the interesting story behind it. So, fact, although the 20 peso coin was introduced, the BSP continues to issue 20 peso banknotes as well. So, might still encounter both in circulation. That's all. Thank you.